Wow. What do you want?
Okay.
Ay, doktor.
I'm gonna check you with a pony.
Why you want to be a doctor?
Of course, with a pony stuff.
You want to be a doctor because?
You have a heart.
Huh?
You have a heart with a pony.
Oh, hot yung little pony?
Yeah.
Oh, she got sick, ang pony?
Yeah.
Oh, ano gagawin mo? What are you doing to little pony?
I'm gonna be a doctor.
Okay, check the heart of little pony. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh.
Daddy, he got a boo in his tummy.
Oh, may bubo siya sa tummy kaya siya may sick. Oh, check.
Daddy, I got sipon.
Oh, may sipon pa siya. Ay, sus. May sipon pa si little pony. Yun ang sakit ni little pony. She got a sipon.
He got hot.
Hot siya, tapos may sipon siya. Tapos may bubo pa siya sa stomach. Sa tummy. Oh, very good doctor.
Papa,
Oh,
give me a Kawaii.
okay.
Thank you. I'm gonna bring back the pony.
Okay.
I take this medicine.
Oh, medicine.
What is the medicine?
Wow.
Wait,
Wow.
wait, hey.
Gusto talaga maging doctor ng bibam.
Yeah, I'm gonna close what, okay?
Okay, close.
Close.
Oh, close.
No.
Good job.
Some key.